Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Volvo S90 T5. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Volvo is a great value with less than 23,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 23 miles per gallon in the city, and 32 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include cruise control, anti-lock brakes, and stability control. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.